Good evening, viewers. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Don Bosco College of Engineering, DBCE, Department of Computer Engineering, organized a one-day knowledge summit and online platform in association with Shirapsi College, Royal University of Bhutan on September 11, 2020. The seminar was attended by 72 participants from various disciplines of engineering, both faculty and industry representatives from India and Bhutan. The seminar focused on promoting innovation and growth through sustainable engineering development. Director DBCE, Father Kinley de Cruz, Principal DBCE, Dr. Nina Panandikar, President Shirapsi College, Royal University of Bhutan, Shering Wangdi, Dean of Research and Industrial Linkages, Dendup Shering, together HOD Computer Engineering Department, DBCE, Dr. Gaurang Patkar were present on the occasion. On Saturday morning, September 12, just like last year, on the special Laudato Si year 2020 to 2021, the Salesians and the youth managed to participate in the environmental initiative Let's Pay Tribute to River Lena. In Siberia of the LSK province, they cleaned the banks of the River Lena of garbage so that people can come to relax. A huge thank you to the company EcoSeti that helped for free in garbage removal. Thanks from the heart to the printing company Color for providing free banners. And of course, we give thanks also to the Catholic parish of Yakuts. The Don Bosco Technical School DBTS community gathered round the Parents, Citizens and Teachers Association PCTA Park on 11 September to partake in the Tri-Celebration program, which highlighted the Papua New Guinea's 45th Independence Day, the birthday of Mr. Martin Dai, the principal of DBTS, and farewell of Father Roger Miranda, SDB, the treasurer of DBTS. The school campus was well decorated with PNG colors. Students and staffs dressed up colorfully as to fit the occasion. As the program commenced, the students welcomed the celebrants in a very cheerful atmosphere and raising of the provincial flags and Papua New Guinea PNG flag. The opening prayer was led by school religious prefect Tim Ero. The entire program showcased PNG in the past, present and into the future timeline, together with speeches and presentation of gifts to Mr. Martin and farewell and best wishes to Father Roger. On 26 August, we celebrated the liturgical memory of Blessed Seferino Namucura, one of the fruits of the first Salesian evangelization in Argentina. The son of the Mapuche tribal leader who lived in his native Patagonia, passed through Buenos Aires, Vietma, Turin and Rome. His life witness of 19 years lived in a simplicity but joyful and credible witnessing to Jesus Christ attracts young people and people of God today too. Since 1949, the Don Bosco Technological College, previously Technical School in Bangkok, where the rector is Father Joseph Manakai, has been journeying with youth in need, working and less privileged youth in Thailand and other neighboring countries like Cambodia and Laos, but has its roots in this school. But in the fast-changing industrial scenario of Southeast Asia, Don Bosco Bangkok is no exception to change. Integrating into the vocational training structure of Thailand ranks 12th in automobile production worldwide. German companies such as Mercedes-Benz and BMW have also been manufacturing in Thailand for many years. In order to assert itself in international competition, Thailand has ambitious plans. The country wants to develop into a hub for green technologies and electromobiles. Don Bosco Alirajpur has commenced pisciculture or fish farming to help motivate poor, marginalized farmers in the aftermath of the COVID-19. Father Pratap Damor and Naval Jamor initiated the project for the rural poor in 9 villages of Alirajpur district as part of the village development program. The goal is to ensure self-sufficiency for the poor farmers and to provide them with alternative livelihoods. A total of 186 packets containing about 1,86,000 fish hatchlings were supplied to the farmers. Each packet with about 1,000 fish hatchlings and priced at Rs 350 contains 4 types of fish varieties: Katla, Komankar, Rohu and Naren. The 9 villages where the scheme has been initiated are Gedat, Behedwa, Badatla, Kharpai, Rajawat, Tithi, Deepaki Chowki, Ram Singh Ki Chowki and Amba. Sacred Heart Parish celebrated the novena in honor of the Nativity of the Blessed Virgin Mary from 30th August to 7th September. The feast day mass was held on 8th September 2020 at 7 p.m. The novena began with the inauguration on 29th August 2020. Former Mumbai Salesian's Provincial Father Michael Fernandez hoisted the flag of Our Lady and the words Ave Maria were loudly proclaimed. The parishioners participated in the online streamed Holy Eucharist. The themes chosen for the novena: Mary most humble, Mary most patient, Mary most obedient, Mary most faithful, Mary most pure, Mary most sorrowful, Mother of Hope, Mother of Mercy, Solace of Migrants, helped all to contemplate the many virtues of Mother Mary. So dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us. Have a pleasant evening.